So I promised you guys I'd make some pancakes today and show you how. So first I'm going to show you the utensils I have. I have a bowl here, a mixer, another bowl with 2 eggs in it, and I have this measuring jug and it's marked for 100 grams of flour and 300 milliliters of milk. So first you're going to have to break the eggs, and if you use a small bowl just in case there's anything wrong with the eggs. So we put one over here and you break the eggs very gently, just tap gently, and you let out the eggs. And then you just mix them like that with the fork. Nice and zippy zappy zoo like that. That's our first item. And then you can leave that to the side. The next thing you're going to need is to measure out the flour. So I have a huge amount of flour here in this big bag. And I don't need it all, I just need some of it. I've just pre-marked it up here. I'm going to fill it up until it reaches that purple line there. You want 100 grams of flour. The next thing you need is a tablespoon of oil. So there's our sunflower oil. You can use any kind of oil. I'm going to pour in, just very carefully, fill that up to about an inch there. And then I put that in with the eggs, so I don't have to think about it then. So now we put the flour in, and we're going to fill up here with milk. We'll go as far as the green. Any kind of a spatula will do. This is kind of called a spatula. We make a hole and we pour in a bit of the milk. Here, and a bit of the egg here, blubby lub, and then we mix it all together. We break up all the lumpy bits, that's the idea. We stir and stir and stir, and then when you've kind of gathered up as much, you just keep doing that. You just keep adding milk. You don't really need to do too much. There, yum yum. Then make sure there's no bits at the bottom, because sometimes you want to break up all that flour. You don't want lumps of flour in your mixture. So move it to the edge of the bowl and press down on it to get rid of the bumps and lumps.
For this part, you need to get your mixer. This is to be done by a big person or a grown-up that minds you, or somebody that you know who can help you. You go to the frying pan and you put it on a flame to heat the frying pan.
And you put a tiny bit of oil into the frying pan. Just so. And you run it all. And hopefully I'll get this up. Make it nice and high. And flip. And then you roll it. Voila! Pancakes with a smile.